London in summer means Chelsea Flower Show and nothing else. I get very excited. It's almost like having a first date.
It's probably the best garden show, flower show I've been in my life. Everybody's happy, everybody's flowery.
It's just like Eden within like a big city, and you never expect something like this. It's just like holiday for your eyes.
I think it's grounded. It's all ordinary people here just coming to get ideas by beautiful plants and have an experience.
You have so many ideas that you can bring home with and put into your own garden.
We're seeing that you can do a lot more with your garden regardless of the size of it. It's been nice to be able to take those ideas and bring them into my own space as well.
I went to the gardening advice with my grandmother. She lives in Florida, so they were giving her some advice on what sorts of plants that are here that could translate to her garden.
The coolest thing we've just seen is the ice garden with like the frozen flowers.
The piece that touched me the most was the motherhood garden. I also loved the William Morris garden. It was just absolutely stunning. Just every angle you look at, you just see the inspiration that he had.
We've been in the Grand Pavilion. I've never seen so many flowers together. And my favorite part were the succulents.
I would love to come back next year, and I think now it will become one of those yearly family get-togethers that we do to get to spend that quality time together.
For us, it's another opportunity to see each other and do something meaningful.
We surely come back. We definitely would miss something if you would not go.
Are you kidding me? Of course I'm going to come back next year. It's a given. If I'm alive, I'm going to be here.